Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo semuanya, teman-teman channel PPS Gorontalo. Saat ini saya ada di Lapangan Kompi, kelurahan Liluwo. Dan di sini Anda lihat ada kegiatan anniversary dari King Gorontalo.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best.
Tentunya kegiatan ini ingin membangun silaturahmi dengan sesama Kingers di Kota Gorontalo maupun di luar, agar kedepannya kita dapat menjaga nama baik pengguna Kingers di seluruh Indonesia. Jumlah anggota King atau pengguna King di daerah Gorontalo bersekitar 800 motor. 800 ya, yang terdata itu. Yang datang ini yang terjauh dari Solo.
Dari Solo?
Iya, terjauh dari Solo. Jadi untuk Sulawesi hampir hadir semua.
Baik, terima kasih.
They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. They don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down, they wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Kegiatan ini sangat sukses.
Paket ini mic paket.
Di dalam kegiatan
Nanti pesertanya dipandu langsung dan sana.
didatangi oleh para King dari Sangir,
yang mau ikut motor lama
Ya.
Amurang,
website sebelum kita ya insya Allah.
untuk bagian
Ya, sebelum istirahat.
dari Sulawesi Tengah juga
Sebelum
ada.
istirahat
Dari pagi makan
rekan-rekan yang ingin
Lambuno,
ikut motor lama
bahkan dari Makassar pun ada.
Mantap, keren,
Mantap.
sukses.
Sukses.